Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're still talking about honesty, but I wanted to come on and tell you that one of the most important things that I think is that we also need to make sure that we're being kind and respectful and honest even when we are by ourselves and no one else is around to see us. A thing that I was always told and that I tell my kids is right is always right, even if no one is around, okay? So, to be kind, if it's only you and one other person, like it's still important to be kind and do the right thing. If you're by yourself with some school materials, it's still important that you're using them the right way and using respect when you're using them too. It's always important to show things, items, people respect and be respectful even if there's not an adult around. Just because it's the right thing to do, okay? And remember when we were talking about respect in regards to other people, we might not always agree with them and we might not always want to do exactly what someone else wants to do. And it's okay for us to have different opinions, different thoughts, but it's not okay for us to be mean to them or disrespectful, okay? There's a difference. Being respectful doesn't mean that you're best friends and you have to do everything that that person wants you to do. It's okay to say, no, thank you, I don't want to. Or to say, I don't really want to play that today, so I'm going to go find something else to do. Okay? You can always walk away from a situation using respect and making sure that we're not being rude or disrespectful to other people, even if there's not an adult around to watch you. Okay? And the same thing goes with honesty. So for today, your page has a picture of a pencil that it says you've spilled the pencils, but no one is around you to see. So what will you do? What's the right thing to do if we're practicing honesty? Okay. I do have the page linked for you so you can see it. If you want to draw the picture, that's okay. But really, if you just want to talk about it with an adult, that's okay too. You don't have to draw the picture or do the writing. If you just talk about it, okay? And I hope that you guys do have a good day.